cleaning, disassembly, assembly. Please refer to the Zeus IE Instructions for Use for the complete cleaning and disinfection procedures and information. Accessories, such as breathing circuit and filters, have to be removed before dismantling the breathing system. To remove the breathing system from Zeus IE, both lateral twist locks have to be unlocked. The breathing system has to be pulled off by pulling the handle upwards. Then the soda lime canister with the click adapter can be detached by turning it counterclockwise. The flow sensors can be removed after unscrewing the inspiratory and expiratory ports. After unlocking the 5 quick-release fasteners, the upper plate can be removed. The Turbo Vent 2 ventilator can be removed by pressing and turning the 2 screws counterclockwise. Then the parts can be prepared for cleaning and disinfection. If a disposable soda lime canister is used, this has to be released from the click adapter, and the interplate for the click adapter has to be placed in the insert before sterilization. To assemble the breathing system, all the steps for dismantling have to be performed in reverse order.